Welcome you guys, welcome to Karinswati new tutorials. In last lecture we have discussed about various types of cymose inflorescences. Now we are going to discuss a new topic, so that is about a special type of inflorescences. So what about the special type of inflorescences? So these are mainly three types. So those are Verticell-aster, Cyathium and Hypanthodium. So first we are starting with the Verticell-aster inflorescence. Verticell-aster inflorescence, that is mainly it is found in a Lamiaceae family. So it is found in which family? Lamiaceae family. So where the inflorescence it is originated? So it is originated in axial position of the leaf. So if you will see the carefully, so it is a stem. So these are the leaves. With the two leaves, it is present opposite direction on the stem, right? So in axial position of this leaf, it will produce this Verticell-aster inflorescence. So it is where it is found? It is present in a axial position of the leaf, right? In Verticell-aster inflorescence, so first it behaves like one or two times biparous sign. So what about biparous sign? In previous class we have discussed about biparous sign. So biparous sign means peduncle it will produce each time two branches. So later it behaves like after 2 to 3 times, later it behaves like monochasial scorpioid sign. So see, first it behaves like what? So first it behaves like a biparous sign. So later it behaves like a monochasial scorpioid sign. So see, it is a peduncle. Peduncle means what? The stalk of the inflorescence is called as peduncle, right? So it is a peduncle. So first it behaves like what? Biparous sign. It will produce two branches. So see, it is first branch and it is second branch. Again, it will produce two branches. It is the first one and it is second one. And this one also it will produce two branches. First one and the second one. So up to it behaves like what? Biparous sign. Each time it is producing up to two branches. So later it behaves like what? Monochasial scorpioid sign. So monochasial means it will produce single branch, right? In which direction? In which manner? Scorpioid manner. Scorpioid manner means, so here it is second one, it is always opposite to the first one, right? Right? So first it behaves like a biparous sign 2 to 3 times, later it behaves like a monochasial scorpioid sign. So where it is found? So generally it is found in a Lamiaceae family. So it's about a Verticell-aster inflorescence. So next we will discuss about another special type of inflorescence. So that is about a Cyathium inflorescence. What about Cyathium inflorescence? So in Cyathium inflorescence, a fusion of bracts or involucres. So what is bract? So bract, it is a modified leaf portion. So generally that is found in below the flower. It is helpful to protect the flower as well as inflorescence. So that is the function of a bract. It is helpful for protecting all those flower as well as inflorescence. So in those bracts, so here it is fused and it forms a cup-like structure. So see, it is a cup-like structure. So it is what a fusion of bracts or fusion of involucres, and it's formed sheath-like structure. So it is helpful for to protecting all those flowers. That is the main function of this cup-like structure. So see, in center portion of this cup-like structure, a single pistil it is present. Right? So the single pistil, what we call as, so it is representing a female flower. This pistil, it is representing what? It is representing a female flower. So generally flower, it is having all the parts, like, right? If you will take a complete flower, it is having all the whorls, the sepals, petals, stamens, as well as a pistil. But in this flower, it is having only pistil. So this type of flowers we call as a achlamydeous unisexual a female flower. So achlamydeous means what? If the calyx as well as corolla, if the sepals as well as petals, if it is absent in this flower, so female flower, it is having only pistil. So here it is not having sepals as well as petals. So the type of flower what we call as achlamydeous flower. And along with that, here it is having only female part. So that's why we call as it is a achlamydeous unisexual a female flower, right? So here the achlamydeous female flower, it is surrounded by more number of stamens. So these are stamens. So these stamens, each stamen it is represents a male flower. So these are also achlamydeous male flowers, right? So here in male flower also sepals and petals are absent. So that's why these are achlamydeous male flowers. That is found in that is surrounded by, that is covered by this a female flower, right? So see, when compared to the periphery region stamens, so in center portion of the stamens, those are matured earlier than a periphery region stamens. So that's why when compared to these stamens, so these stamens in center portion, what type of stamens it is present? So those are present in towards the outside, because early maturation of these stamens, right? So in Cyathium inflorescence, so here it is also having this cup-like structure. Here it is having a nectar glands. So these are called as, these are what? Nectar glands. What is the use of this nectar glands? It is helpful for to produce nectar. So as a result of that, insects easily it will be attracted towards this inflorescence. It is helpful for a cross pollination purpose. So what is the ratio of male and female flowers in the Cyathium inflorescence? So here the, if you will see, the ratio between female to male flowers are 1 to many, right? So here the one female flower and more number of male flowers it is present. So here the female flower it is 1 and male flowers it is more in number. So here the Cyathium as well as Hypanthodium both are similar in they are having unisexual flowers. So in that character, so Cyathium as well as Hypanthodium both are, it is similar. So it is found in which family? So generally it is found in Euphorbiaceae family. Euphorbia and Poinsettia, right? So it is about Cyathium inflorescence. So I hope it is helpful for you guys. So if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.